Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nasu Julia Sedina dari kelas manajemen 22A NPM 2241101. Di sini saya ingin menjelaskan capital market. Understanding capital markets. There are several instruments in investing that people are more familiar with in the form of gold or property. However, not many people know about investment options through the capital market. By closing to invest using the capital market is not only gives people the opportunity to make a profit. However, it also plays an active role in improving domestic economy conditions. Capital markets are activities related to the public offering and trading of securities. History of capital markets. According to the book Effectending, issued by the Foreign for then Everett handle in securities transactions had been taking place since 1880, but were carried out without an official organization, so that records of these transactions were employed in 1878. A company for commodity and securities trading was formed, namely Dunlop and of the foreigner of Petit Prime. It was only in 1712, precisely on December, that Amsterdam's Bureau opened a stock exchange branch for the first time in Indonesia, located in Batavia, Jakarta. This is capital market is the fourth oldest after Bombay, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. The reason why the Dutch government first established the stock exchange in Batavia was because at the beginning of the century, various plantations were being built on large scale. In order for the development process to run well, the Dutch colonial government of course needed capital. Capital market functions. The capital market is a means of increasing capital for business. Companies can obtain funds by selling shares to the capital market. Shares will be purchased by the general public, other companies, institutions, or by government. The capital market as a means of equalizing income after a certain period of time. The shares that have been purchased will provide dividends to buyers. Therefore, selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. Capital markets as a means of increasing production capacity with additional capital obtained from the capital market. Company productivity will increase. Capital market is a means of creating employment. Its extension of the capital market can interact the management and development of the industry, which have an impact on the creation of jobs. The capital market an indicator of the country economy. The ensuring activity and volume of sellers purchases in capital market indicates that the business activities for various companies are running well, vice versa. Capital market instrument. The capital market is also known as the stock exchange. In it, you can find various types of securities that are traded every day. The type of securities include Series R, securities that are proof of ownership of company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to receive dividends or profit sharing. Mutual funds are known as investment instruments that serve as forum for collecting and managing the fund of several investors. The funds are then managed by investment manager into various instruments such as money markets, bonds, shares, or the securities. The securities are bonds. You can also get securities in the form of bonds on the capital market. Exchange traded fund. Treasury securities actually have similarities to mutual funds but are collected collectively. However, it can be traded on the stock exchange like shares. Derivative. Furthermore, there are also securities in the trade form. Capital market benefits. The capital market has benefits for issuers, namely securities offering made by issuers to sell securities to the public based on the procedures regulated in applicable laws, as well for investors. Benefit of capital markets for issuers. The amount of funds then can be raised is large. This fund can be received at once when the primary market is finished. There are no covenants, so at once when employee management can have more freedom is management fund companies. Bonds as a profitable investment product. If you just have the intention to invest, perhaps you could consider bonds as the best investment product in that bonds do not have the same popularity as shares as an investment product, but bonds can be your entry point in starting to invest, which we can increase your income while still working productively. Type of capital market. Primary market. The primary market is a market where securities are traded for the first time of the public before being listed on the stock exchange. The initial market period is when shares or other securities are first offered to investors by the underwriters. Through security will act as shares selling against. Secondary market. Secondary market is a continuation of the primary market, a market where securities that have been listed on the exchange. This means that the company's shares can be freely traded by the public for shares in the secondary market to obtain capital gains. An example of a transaction in the secondary market is a stock transaction which we often carry out using online stock trading software. This is secondary market transaction or daily stock trading activity. In contrast to primary market where share prices are fixed, in the secondary market share price experience fluctuation in the form of increases or decreases. This occurs due to demand and supply for this series. Supply and demand occurs due to many factors, both specific to the stock, the performance of the company, and the industry in which the company operates, and macro factors such as interest rates, inflation, exchange rates, and non-economic factors such as social conditions and politics and other factors. In the world of finances, increases and decreases in share prices are directly proportional to the company's fundamental performance. When making transactions on the secondary market, investors are target transaction charged in the form of commission to brokers. Commission fresh from transaction will be subject to fee of 10 of the transaction value charged to investor. Thank you.